Yeah, we're going to do speedrun rank. Speedrun. Oh my gosh, I just forgot how to pronounce it. We're gonna be speedrunning to Unreal. Yo, what is this?
It's a new thing.
Wait a minute. Prepare for my arrival, worm.
Here I come. Here I come. Stand down. Oops. Alright, come get in my car.
Alright.
I got a dope.
Dude, I'm actually kind of lagging a little bit, but it might be fine.
So that fight.
Wait, they're behind us? Oh, that's a bot, bro.
Did you know we're in unranked lobbies?
We're in unranked lobby. Oh, dang, I didn't even know we were in ranked lobbies.
Remember we were playing ranked?
Oh, dang, I forgot.
Race to Unreal.
I'm gonna lie, why does this kind of look like a medallion?
Here, take this.
Alright. Oh, get in the car, get in the car. Alright.
Go to the Freddy. Just go to the Freddy.
I can't drive.
Bro needs a driving license.
I need driving license, I cannot drive. Hold on. Dang, bro, I need shotgun ammo.
Oh,
Ooh, split it. Just like split. Alright, bro, thanks. Please turn this radio off. I mean, it's kind of fire, but.
Bro, do you have a girlfriend?
Huh?
Do you have a girlfriend?
Oh, yeah, I have one.
Did she kiss you?
No.
Mine did. Alright, let's get this boss.
Wait, it's a boss? It's like I forgot how to use this. Here. Oh, dang, that's a boss? Let's go, we destroyed him. We have destroyed him. Wait, did we? No medallion?
No, it's not like that kind of just
Oh, dang, I didn't even know that was a boss. Hey, we're kind of doing good this game.
What class are you?
Huh? Oh,
What
A.
class are you?
A.
Me too. Get in. Do you want to go for the island?
Yeah. Let's go.
Do
Hey,
you
if
want the
I was on
weapon?
my PC, bro, I'd be
Wait,
cooking.
do you want the weapon or the medallion?
The weapon. Wait, you want the, wait, which one do you want?
The medallion.
Alright, I'll get the weapon. Kid. Hey, he's in that bush. That's a whole nother kid.
Let me kill this kid.
22. Oh, nice.
How much kills you have again?
How much kills? Oh, I have 4 kills. What about you?
4 kills.
Oh, dang. Walk it,
Alright, go through.
dude. I hope I get famous for recording
Go
this.
to the little bit.
Go to
Go
where?
to there.
Oh, dang.
Go to my red mark.
Alright, I got you.
Bro, I have a driver's license. Bro, you keep pressing. Do you have a driver's license, sir?
Yeah, I got a license.
Are you still recording?
Yeah, I'm still recording. If we die, I might stop recording this. If we win, I'm gonna stop recording it.
What about you? If you die?
Oh, I'm gonna stop recording it.
Bro, so if we die once? No, so we have to win every single game?
Oh, dang, we're close to the boss. Hey, yo, hold on, bro. You leaving me, eh?
Okay. Sorry. The boss is easy.
Yeah, we gotta make sure we kill the other people up there also. My neck is kind of hurting.
No one's up here.
Wait, did you just use a rift? Okay, nice.
No one's up here.
No one's up there? Alright, nice. We can kill the boss ourselves. Hey, yo, bro. This ain't the boss, right? This the boss, right?
Yeah, it is.
Why the boss looks so different?
Bro, it's a new season.
Oh, dang. I forgot. Wait. The ball's too small to see. It's too short. I don't even know where it is. Yo, what? Oh my god. Oh crap. Finally. Yeah, I'll take care of the guards.
Where are you now? I actually don't know.
You're too near me. Is she slow? Let's go! Let's go!
Alright, let's go.
I need a sensual pump, but it's alright.
Wait,
But you got the medal?
You don't have Sentinel up here?
Uh-uh.
Do you wanna go get it? Whatever time? No one's doing it.
Yeah.
Because it's really easy to get with the med mist. The thing that flies backs.
We entered the demon's domain. And there's a medal over here. Nice. My hands are sweaty from holding on to this controller while playing. My neck hurts. mean, I guess I'll take this outlaw shot. Like, you know what? Wasn't it? Oh, it's off.
Bro, please tell me the boss is here. And the easiest way to kill it is a red mist. I don't know where it is. Wait, you have. Please get over here and your red mist.
Wait, what am I miss?
Kill the thing that flies past me. Give me the thing that flies past me. Give me the thing that flies past me. Yeah, give me that.
They have another one for me downstairs. Let's go. Let's go. Finally, I got a central bomb. Yeah, I picked up the soul bubble.
Oh, he's down.
Oh, he's down? He's back up again.
He's down.
I think there's a duo over here. Oh no. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, nice. Madness. Well, you said the only way we can kill him is the madness? We're so close to killing him. Bro, they go becoming a cash out. Wait, we defeated the bossy wolf? Alright, hold on. I think I might still need them back. Hey, I see a kid. Oh dang, they got a mythic. Oh, let's go. I'm here on rank S. Yo, what is this?
Get the mythic if you want it.
No, I don't want the mythic. This time you gotta get a mythic, bro. You gotta get a mythic this time.
I don't like the mythics. I only like the medallion. The medallions are way better. I have the sentinel pump.
Can I have it? I can have the blue central pump. Yippee!
Let's go.
Alright. It's a 2v2v2, bro. I hope we win this, though.
If we win this,
I'm posting it. If we win this, I'm posting it.
no, if we win this, we're gonna keep. No, if you win this, we're gonna keep playing until we get to Unreal.
Yeah, but hold on, though. I don't even know what rank I am. Wait, I just forgot that this was ranked.
Why you said that twice? Remember we're doing a speedrun to Unreal on YouTube?
Yeah, but hold on. It's gonna take way too long. Yeah, it is gonna take long. Okay, it's shooting at me. Whoa, where's this thing shooting me from? Whoop that and I'm gonna pick that up. Alright, I'm in. Oh, hold on. Nah, I think I'm gonna take them. We be out of here. Oh my bad.
Did you know they buffed the forced shotgun?
Where?
They buffed
The word shotgun?
Sentinel. They buffed Sentinel gun.
Oh yeah, do. Oh yeah, they did. You can win a piece of
Shit,
thing.
am I getting shot at? Oh, I see.
Hey, bro, I'm coming with you. Oh dang, it was just a solo. Okay. Hey, it's a solo. It's a solo. I think so. Yeah, it's one solo. It's one solo.
There's one solo and a duo.
Yeah, there's one solo and a duo. Need you to be something.
Oh my god.
Get over here. I think so. I think so. Yeah, I need some help. Never mind, I killed them. Now it's a 2v2. The 2v2.
Take this. Take this big off.
No, don't worry, I got a chug jug. I'm upset. Dude, come on.
What, just people?
Nuh-uh. Well, I see you, kid. I actually see you, kid. Hey, bro, I need some help. Over here. Hey, they in the shield bubble. They're in the shield bubble. Hey, one of them are cracked, but they're using the circle now. Yeah, bro, just don't rush. Oh, we're cooked. Oh, you said dead on what? Alright, nice. Enhancement. Hey, kill him. Whee! Hey, you ran storm. Hey, stay in the bush. Hey, get behind me. Nice. Please clutch this. No.